you ever thought of freezing your panty liners? I know this is strange, but this is gonna be a game changer for you. I have 3 uses, very effective, that are gonna be beneficial. You can use any sort of panty liner. By the way, these are super economical depending on the brand that you buy, but let me just give you a sneak peek. What's really nice about these, this sticky backing is super sticky, so it's so multi-functional. But look here in my freezer. Yes, I know you're getting deep in the depths of the freezer. We have some panty liners right here next to some teriyaki sesame salmon. I know it's strange. All right, look at these babies. These are thick. I mean, who wants to carry this around with their lunch? Why not a panty liner? This is the perfect size, especially if you just need to keep a sandwich cold. You can put them in a plastic baggie, put them wherever you need to go, and get on your merry way. The second way that I like to use these is I actually like to put them in my socks for a nice cold compress for your feet. You can also slip them directly inside of your shoes, just like that. It's the perfect size in there. Also, if you have any sort of aches and pains on your body or your arms, you can just apply it directly to that area and it will feel nice and relaxed. I can feel that through these cotton pants right here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and get as many panty liners as you would like to freeze, and you're just going to completely saturate them. Now they're gonna be just a little bit flimsy when you get them wet, but lay them flat in your freezer. You could put this in whatever shape that you wanted to, depending upon where you wanted to use these, and then they would freeze in that position. But I prefer just to keep them flat like this, and then you're gonna go over to your freezer, find a nice place. And mine froze relatively quickly. Let's just put it right there on that lean cuisine, shall we? Once frozen, you can loosen these up as well. They're very pliable. Let's say that you wanted to make your soda or whatever it is that you're drinking nice and cool ahead of time. You can go ahead and just wrap it around your can. Bear with me, I'm doing this one-handed. It's like your very own makeshift koozie right there. And what's remarkable about this, it's still sticky once it is frozen. You can see right there. I mean, look at this. Yes, that is amazing. And you can even reuse these several times. Just go ahead, stick them back in the water and refreeze them. I mean, you definitely could put these in your undercarriage, nice and cool. I mean, that would be nice as well. All right, if you're wondering what happens when you put pine sol on a panty liner, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.